Anydesk is a remote application that allows users to access their computer from anywhere as long as they have an internet connection. This is especially useful for those who need to access their files or programs on their home computer while on the go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install and use Anydesk on your iPhone. But before we start, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification button. To install and use Anydesk on your iPhone, open the App Store. Use the search bar to search for the Anydesk app. Tap on the Get button to start the installation. Tap on Open to launch the app on your iPhone. In this way, you've installed the Anydesk app on your iPhone. To use the Anydesk app on your iPhone, enter the remote address of the target device. After entering the remote address, go to the target device or your laptop to accept the invitation. After accepting the invitation, you can start controlling the target device directly from your iPhone. As you can see from this video, I'm controlling my MacBook with my iPhone with the help of Anydesk app. That's all, guys. This video has shown you the easy way to install and use Anydesk on your iPhone. But before you go, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. See you guys in my next video.